Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel, SwiftUI. The purpose of this YouTube channel is very simple. It's to show you how to animate anything using SwiftUI and how to design cool stuff in SwiftUI. We will dive into designing UIs for iOS, visionOS, and watchOS. In this channel, I will also show you how to build cool AI stuff using Python-based frameworks and major APIs like OpenAI, Mistral, Anthropic, XAI, and more. We will dive into building AI agents using frameworks like PyData, Pydantic AI, OpenAI Swarm, and more. Most of the videos in this channel also cover building UIs for AI projects using Gradio, Streamlit, Chainlit, and more. In summary, in the SwiftUI channel, you learn cool things about designing and animating with SwiftUI. You learn all things about building AI projects using Python-based frameworks and APIs. So I would like you to subscribe to this channel and set notification for all the weekly updates.